If components on your Littmann stethoscope need to be replaced, spare parts kits are available for purchase to keep your stethoscope performing at its best. Each kit contains an adult side and pediatric side diaphragm, one non-chill bell sleeve, and 2 soft sealing ear tips. When your diaphragm and ear tips are showing signs of wear, it's time to swap them out. To replace your stethoscope ear tips, carefully pull off the old ear tips. Next, firmly push on the new replacement ear tips, ensuring they are securely in place. To remove the diaphragm, firmly hold the chest piece in one hand. Pinch the rim of the diaphragm from the bottom and push up. It should begin to pop up. Carefully peel off the rest of the diaphragm. To replace the diaphragm, align your new diaphragm with the chest piece. Firmly push on the outer rim until it snaps in place. Regular maintenance of your Littmann stethoscope helps ensure optimal performance and longevity.